What's going on, everybody? This is Danny from Slow Restoration and Jessica, and we are at the airport. Jessica. Either way, we're at the airport. We're getting ready to head to SEMA, Las Vegas, and SEMA. So the bus is coming, so we got to go. Here at SEMA, we're in the hotel room. Actually, we're at Las Vegas, not for the SEMA show. We're in the hotel room. Check out this view. I didn't realize the mountains were right there. That's pretty amazing though. Off to the show. Fancy.
Okay, we are here at SEMA and we're already lost.
Yeah, it's very confusing.
So
I'm sure it'll get easier, but for right now we're lost.
We're lost, but that's okay.
We have our badges.
Yeah.
And we're ready to go.
Here we go.
These things get dusty out here, that's for sure. It's a cool car. Fasten something when you're working on it, spraying or sanding or whatever, but these have all these little attachments. I'm sure there's a lot of this stuff out there, but this one's cool. I like it. Oh yeah, it's got scallops even in there.
So here's like a nice little thing to have. They do killer paint.
Well, it's advertising House of Colors paint.
Buy that helmet. That's a Jess helmet.
Jessica really likes this helmet.
Later. This helmet has my name written all over it.
Hey everybody.
I guess that's your work?
Yes sir.
Yeah, that's amazing.
That's the whole team.
Yeah.
Okay, so we had our first hugely embarrassing SEMA moment of the day. Danny, what did you do?
Well, we were looking at colors here, and of course some of these are colors, then we were looking at all the whites, only to realize we're looking at the wrong side.
Yeah.
The colors are on this side. Could have happened to anyone, right?
Yeah, no, not really.
As seen on TV, Flex Seal. The Great Wall of Chemicals. This guy's already had enough. This is really cool.
To help get any of those wrinkles out and let the film control the body. Ghost Pearl.
Jack?
I'm good. How's everything?
Good.
Good.
A little overwhelming.
Yeah. It is, yeah. I mean, what are you trying to cover with the vlog?
Day one.
As much as possible,
like,
but yeah.
But how can you cover everything? There's so much. That's the crazy thing. Like for those of you guys that don't know me, my name's Jack, Dirty Max Jack on YouTube. I focus kind of more specifically on diesels, and like I come out here and it's just overwhelming. Like everywhere you look, this is a bad example right now, but it's just like trucks. And I'm trying to do with my audience right now, like, okay guys, like this is outside, right? And then we'll get inside the next day. So it's been fun.
I think we're gonna try that. Today's gonna be overwhelming everything, and then we're gonna try and buckle down and focus on specific things.
That's kind of what you need to do, like mentally mark where you want to go, and then go back.
I think I drove the worst in this situation because I didn't know.
He's so cool.
I can't be in the picture. You can put him on your shoulder if you want.
No, I'm afraid of him. What's his name?
2 years. He's very civilized.
Does he?
Jazz.
Come on. Will he talk or not here?
He talks a little.
Does he?
Yeah.
Oh, very cool.
Thank you.
Okay, let's get the cover off of this. Brand new 50th anniversary Hellcat wide body Hearst Heritage by GSS Supercars. This is when you clap. So there it is. The colors are beautiful. You guys started with a car. This isn't a factory color. You painted it silver, then put the stripes. So it's all fresh color paint.
You're looking at Peruvian silver metallic, tuxedo black stripes and ermine white pinstripes. We really, really wanted to get this one right. It was very important. If you look at the layout of the graphics and the paint scheme right down to the black trunk lid with no spoiler, that's exactly how Hearst did them in '68, the same way.
It's awesome. Congrats.
The first in the world. We're debuting here today, and the thing is absolutely ridiculous. And we've put a lot of time and effort in this truck. And follow us on Instagram at OTSFF_off-road. Every single tube is laser cut, numbered. This thing is as cool as it gets.
And I know what everybody's saying. You speak pretty good English for a Canadian.
Thank you. I modified English all the way through. It was pretty amazing. I said, you want to see it?
That's right. Even though you're inside, you're at a trade show, you can use your outdoor voice, hoot and holler. So, that's right. Same product like the SEMA that they didn't paint. They put a vinyl wrap on it because they want to make sure it's right before they put the paint on it.
Twin turbo. It's very similar. It's Texas Speed equipped. Twin turbo. That's probably actually the same turbo setup around Speed. It's a C5. This is a FRC. It's got the factory seats. It's caged. This is a clean, nice car. 15-inch conversion. There's a Mr. Chip Foose. Alright, that does it for day one at SEMA. We're back at the hotel room now. We have everything loaded on the laptop, and the internet connection is a little questionable, so hopefully we can get this uploaded tonight. But it's definitely some really amazing things to see there and people to meet. So one thing's for sure, we'll be back tomorrow and we'll see you there.